Hey everyone, welcome to Blake Cameron's YouTube channel, where every week we share hilarious videos that'll keep you entertained and laughing. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to share, give a thumbs up, and subscribe. Your support means a lot and helps us keep the fun going. Thanks for watching, and now let's start. Bro, I'm really afraid your friend might swallow the cigarette whole. This is definitely the simplest way I've ever seen to play the piano. I didn't expect that there wouldn't be a champion in this competition. I guess the cat still thinks a missile exploded. Man, I really want to know how the three of you are staying on top of the fence. Sometimes having a dog deliver the rings at a wedding is just the beginning of a disaster. When your boyfriend tells you he can roast sweet potatoes, but he ends up turning them into charcoal. This is definitely the most hardcore off-road vehicle I've ever seen. Bro, I guess this railing really has its eye on your helmet. Bro, you're just acting. It's not like you really have to eliminate the cops. Bro, your tractor is showing you through its actions that it needs repairs. Bro, you two make the Lamborghini look like a go-kart. The man remains surprisingly calm after the car accident. Bro, I guess your friend must be practicing how to fight with his wife. Every parkour master goes through various strange injuries at the beginning. This is definitely the most genius way I've ever seen to grind grain. When you and your wife are getting ready to sleep, but your daughter suddenly says she wants to give you a shot. Bro, I guess you're not getting away from that tonight. I never thought you could fit a pair of high heels inside Vans. This is definitely the worst I've ever seen The Simpsons. This is definitely the most unexpected prank I've ever seen. I never thought a dog would poop like this. Bro, I really want to know how you got yourself stuck in there. Bro, I don't know what's wrong with your son, but I'm pretty sure that mask wasn't designed for this kind of situation. The little boy was just reacting instinctively. Bro, you're doomed tonight for sure. The little girl has known since a young age how to use extreme measures to get what she wants. I believe absolutely no one would want to steal these two suitcases. I really want to know where this dog learned this pooping position. Bro, I really want to know how you control your chin. Bro, can't you really let your dog have a taste? When your cat watches Jurassic World, it will never walk normally again. Bro, I don't know what you're playing, but I can tell the competition is intense. You never know what outrageous things a woman will do for a good Instagram photo. The little boy hasn't smiled since he got his shot. What would you do when you're painting with your friends and a bunch of goats come over and eat all your paint? This is definitely the smartest dog I've ever seen. Bro, get your dad to buy your mom a Chanel bag, or she will definitely not forgive you. This is definitely the most over-the-top driving video I've ever seen. The man lost before the competition even started. What would you do when your girlfriend gets drunk and tells you she's a wrestler? I never thought a dog's ears could have this function. When you don't want to cook, definitely don't let your husband take charge of dinner. When your roommate snores at night, just a little mustard can solve the problem. I never thought excavators could do this. Bro, I guess you no longer need to buy treats for your dog. I really like his hairstyle. The man thought an animal was going to eat his foot. Bro, I really want to know how you bit through the trash can. An experienced mechanic can immediately tell if the oil needs to be changed. This is definitely the archive video of Superman practicing flying for the first time. Bro, there are some things you should never attempt casually when you're not skilled at them.